As you take your oath today, remember that your loyalty is not to any political interest, not to any individual, nor any passing ideology. Your loyalty must always remain with the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines.
Ito ang naging sentro ng mensahe ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. sa graduation ceremony ng Philippine Military Academy talang Dangal Class of 2026 sa Fort del Pilar sa Baguio City. Mahigpit na pinaalalahanan ng Pangulo ang 207 graduates na manatiling tapat sa konstitusyon at huwag magpadala sa pampulitikang interes. Hinimok din niya ang mga ito na panindigan ang honor code ng PMA na huwag magsinungaling, mandaya o magnakaw.
Throughout this mission, carry with you the honor code instilled in you by the Academy. Never lie, never cheat, never steal, and never tolerate those who do. Because silence in the face of wrongdoing is a betrayal of your values, a betrayal of your country, and a betrayal of the very principles that you have sworn to defend.
Binigyang diin din ni Pangulong Marcos na hindi na lamang tradisyonal na digmaan ang kinakaharap ng bansa.
During your training in the Academy, you have been taught that the threats confronting our nation today are no longer confined to conventional battlefields. They now emerge in cyberspace, in disinformation, in territorial aggression, in calamities worsened by climate change, and in forces that seek to weaken trust in our institutions and divide our people.
Dahil sa mga umuusbong na hamon, inihayag ng Pangulo na sinimulan na ang pag-upgrade sa curriculum ng PMA upang ihanda ang mga opisyal sa emerging technologies gaya ng data science, Python foundations, artificial intelligence, electronic warfare at unmanned systems. Samantala si Cadet First Class Christine K. de Messina Librada naman ng Lipa City ang class valedictorian ngayong taon. Bago matapos ang programa, iginawa din ng Pangulo ang tradisyonal na presidential pardon upang burahin ang lahat ng outstanding punishment ng mga kasalukuyang kadete sa akademya. In the heart of changing lives, ako si Brigada Maricar Sargan ng 105.1 Brigada News FM Manila, The Music and News Authority.